This is LearnWorlds, a small player among giant course platforms.
We really believe that online course platforms were sucking badly.
Despite being the underdog, they recently managed to rank number 1 as the best online learning platform on G2.
I think we are the only ones who are experts in e-learning.
Higher rankings than Teachable, Thinkific and Kajabi, but only a fraction of the popularity. What's going on here? How can they be better but smaller? And who are they for? Let's find out. Let's start by getting to know Panos a little bit, the CEO and founder of LearnWorlds. With a background in computer science and software engineering, he created LearnWorlds in 2014. After bootstrapping the company for a few years, Panos decides to get 1 million euros in funding to speed things up. Fast forward to 2021, just after COVID made online learning sexy, he secured $32 million in funding.
We know that this is a very difficult situation. Lots of businesses have been devastated and decimated, and people are trying to transition into online business models.
Now he and his team are ready to go global and become the best course platform in the world. And this should be easy.
We, as scientists, we knew that we could create the best possible platform.
Let's see how they're doing with a quick look at some of their claims, starting with the most trendy one.
Choose LearnWorlds LMS, powered by AI, powered by AI.
Yes, everyone is these days.
Powered by AI, powered by AI, powered by AI, powered by AI.
But let's see if we can find something truly unique.
Best online course platform. Beautiful templates. Easy to use. Boost your business. Engage your students. Flexible and responsive. Live sessions. Affiliate programs. Integrations. Subscriptions. Magic beauty.
That's how they rank number 1, by doing exactly the same as everyone else. You know what? Let's get back to these claims later and instead take a look at the actual product to see what's actually working for these guys. Besides AI, flexibility, and magic beauty. Now we're inside and 2 things stand out immediately. Number 1 is the vastness of things you can do. There's just a lot in here. Second thing is that it looks like it's designed by developers, not designers.
Ugly courses and ugly websites don't sell.
So there's some navigation to get used to. These triple layer menus are tricky. Maybe that $32 million in funding allowed them to just build everything they wanted. After a quick tour through the menus, you realize that you can do what every other course platform can do, but with a ton of customization inside each feature. As an example, let's compare Kajabi and LearnWorlds options for creating a lesson. Pretty core feature. On Kajabi, you create a lesson or a quiz. The lesson can be video, audio, or an assessment, which is pretty much the same as a quiz. On LearnWorlds, a lesson is called a learning activity first of all, and there are about 65 of them. Video, audio, quiz, check. But also ebooks, forums, certificates, all kinds of stuff that unfolds into even more options. Just look at the exam thing where the individual questions can be so many different types. Okay, so LearnWorlds is more advanced. Got it. But what about that AI assistant? Everyone says that. Everyone has some kind of ChatGPT slapped onto their platform. Kajabi's AI primarily helps you write and research. LearnWorlds AI is a copywriting assistant that helps you write good texts, but it also helps you populate your courses and lessons in a quite cool way. For example, I made a good starting point for a course outline with a few simple prompts. Then created this fill in the blanks exam question in 1 minute, just inserted a text, and the AI figured out what words were essential that needed to be filled in. This unique feature and a handful of others like it makes me think that LearnWorlds is quite a product-focused course platform. And I feel like this is one of the main differences.
We are focused obsessively, I would say, on the learner experience in creating beautiful online courses.
LearnWorlds doesn't just cater to small entrepreneurs like myself, but also to the corporate world who needs more features, more choices, more customization. I found a whole page with all the features they shipped in 2023, and there's a lot. My favorites are the AI assistant and the integrated community. Is that the reason why they rank number 1 on G2? The ability to make a more custom learning experience. That's one of 2 things LearnWorlds gets praised for. Let's move on to the second. About 1/3 of the 310 reviews on G2 mention support as a pro.
highly responsive,
Incredible support.
Best staff in the world.
Genuine concern.
Kim even feels like
I have a development team by my side.
everyone says they have incredible support, and everyone kind of does these days, but LearnWorlds probably needs it more than Kajabi. Kajabi tries to be and is super simple, which means you get fewer choices, less to worry about. This means fewer problems for users. I can imagine that when your product is customizable, you can build anything you want, however you want it, then that opens up the gates to support hell. It also looks like when you get funded and you grow fast, it's hard to stay bug-free when slapping on so much new.
The best platforms are the ones that pay close attention to detail.
But to be fair, LearnWorlds seems to manage this balance between customization and customer support. So is that the secret formula? Customization plus customer support equals more customers? Let's revisit those claims on their websites with a fresh pair of eyes. They say they're the best, and that is true according to G2. AI-enhanced quality output also holds water. 5-star support team. Sounds like it. Most versatile.
Probably.
So it turns out the simple truth about LearnWorlds is that they are the best for who they're serving. Teachers, trainers, educators with higher demands for a more custom learning experience than what the standard platforms can deliver. If there's any hate coming from the market leaders, it's probably because they're not able to cater to this part of the market themselves. LearnWorlds wins at product, but maybe fails at marketing. Could they be small because they're simply unknown?
We thought that, okay, we'll just be the best platform and then people will flock to us. And then we realized that we have to put our platform in front of people's eyes in order to realize what we're offering.
The only real way to know if LearnWorlds is for you is to take a look around inside. There are links to a free trial below the video. If you need inspiration for how to structure a video lesson or a complete course, watch this video next, where I share how I structure my learning content in a simple and fun way. Thanks for watching, and remember, it's what you do in the dark that puts you in the light.